Introducing the Chaos Tactical Mobility Driving Program, crafted to provide agencies with elite tactical driving and vehicle recovery skills, critical for high-stakes missions. Vehicle-related incidents are a leading cause of injury and fatality among military personnel, both in training and on missions. Our program emphasizes extensive drive time, hands-on discovery, situational awareness, and problem-solving under pressure. These skills are essential for reducing risks and increasing operational safety and mission success rates. Through advanced techniques in vehicle recovery, high-speed towing, off-road driving, terrain navigation, and nighttime operations, we teach non-standard, modern, and innovative tactics that integrate both traditional and cutting-edge equipment and approaches, prioritizing safety and efficiency. Our training includes Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 levels, along with ongoing short courses for a deeper dive into specific skill sets and techniques, optimizing preparedness for every mission. Continuous driving training is a vital resource for safety and mission effectiveness. Join the Chaos Tactical Mobility Driving Program to develop the skills needed to navigate any terrain safely and effectively, making a lasting impact on mission readiness and survival.